What's going on, y'all? Kevin Reese here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to me. If you have, thanks. Go ahead and hit the notification tab so that you can turn on notifications and you can see when I post new videos. So let's go ahead and get into it today, guys. We're going to be changing the blades on an Exmark Lazer Z S series mower, 60 inch. So let me show you what I got going on right here. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and kind of just, jumped into this thing. I want to kind of show y'all where I'm at, kind of what you're going to need here. You have a parking brake on your Exmark mower. You can see right here, when you pull that up, that's your parking brake. So those back wheels are, they should be locked. But I always go ahead and just chock the rear wheels if I'm jacking up anything. So I just got some bricks behind them. I went ahead and used this jack here I started jacking up under the deck, got it up some, got it secured with some jack stands. You want to do that just to make sure that this thing is safe before you get under it. And let me show you where we are right here, guys, and what you're going to need and kind of what everything looks like. So if you come up here under the mower, you can see I've already gotten one blade off, and you can see it's definitely time for some new blades. Now, there's two kinds of blades. These are mulching blades, and I want to show y'all. These are the wavy ones, so they have like that little bit of wave to them. If you can see how they're kind of funny looking. There's the wavy ones, and then there's these. These are a little bit newer. These are some Copperhead blades. You can see they're a little bit different. There's your part number. So for these blades, like I said, this is the Exmark. This is the Lazer Z. It's the S series. This is a 60-inch deck. So these blades are 20 1/2 inches. So what we're going to do with these guys, I want to show y'all here. You can see the hole and everything. Just make sure your holes line up. Everything's the same size. This bolt that you're going to take out of here, I'll show y'all what they look like. Like when this blade was up under here, I'll show y'all this real quick, guys, so y'all can be able to get it done quick when y'all doing it. It goes in. You can see here where it was on the bottom, but it essentially it went in like this. You have a bolt and a washer that go through like that, so it sits on there just like this. This piece goes inside your little rotor here. You can see it's got little teeth on it, so it kind of helps it to catch. So just line that up. It goes in there just like so. I went ahead. It's a good idea, guys. Penetrating oil. I'm a big fan of this. I love PB Blaster. It always works good for me. So I use it. Just kind of oiled in here some because it was just kind of rusty looking, just to clean it out. And I always hit these first. You can see here, if I take you up close, y'all can see that's wet. I already sprayed it there. You want to spray it on there, and then kind of on the top, where it mates above. So I went ahead and did that. Also in the process, just trying to, you can see how much junk I got under here, guys. I got like an old putty knife here, and you can see, I mean, if I scrape, y'all, this is a ton of crap that's just, you can look under here, it's just like, caked on. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all that off, and y'all can see here, that's probably, I don't know how long, just being caked on there over the years. So it looks like crap under here. I'm going to just kind of clean up under the deck some, but this is so y'all know the bolt size. This is a 3/4 inch. Y'all can see here I'm using my trusty Ingersoll Rand Thunder gun here. Makes the job a whole lot easier, and I've got a 3/4 inch impact socket. So that's what you want to use to take that off. These are not reverse threads or monkey threads, as some people call them. These are normal threads, so counterclockwise to loosen them, clockwise to tighten them. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to pull these other three off, and we're going to put these blades on, guys. And you can see out here I don't have a whole lot of grass to cut. However, it does get a little thicker down there towards the pond. I'll do a little review for y'all after this video, after I install them, just to let y'all know kind of how they look. But the way these go on with the sticker goes on first, so put that on first. Otherwise it'd be cutting funny. But sticker on first, 3/4 inch bolt, and installation, putting them back on. You'll run that little piece up through there and put your bolt and your washer on the outside. Just to show y'all can see here, bolt, there's your washer, and there's that little piece right here that goes on. So that's really all we got, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these off and get them out of there. Now y'all at least know how to do it. They make some different jacks that make it a lot easier to get under here, but I can slide some of this stuff out the way and, you know, get my arm over here to get that one off. Not really too bad, guys. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do that and see how these blades cut. So y'all stay tuned. I'll let y'all know what I think about them. And per Exmark, the torque spec for this bolt, the blade mounting bolt, is 55 to 60 foot-pounds. And I have something here that I always use. You can kind of hardly see it now, guys. You know, if you've ever used this stuff, kind of gets like this. But this is some anti-seize, and it even tells you, this one, you can see it doesn't have any on it, but it even tells you to lubricate with anti-seize. So what this does, guys, it provides a little layer here. It keeps the blade, the bolt, from getting hung up in there. It works on all kinds of bolts. It's great, but it'll make it easier next time you have to change your blades. So I'm going to lubricate it with some anti-seize, and we'll torque this down to 55 to 60 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so here y'all can see, did a pretty good job. I got some pretty thick grass out here. What I was trying to show y'all, this camera, it's hard to do it justice, but in this yard, it's real wet. We got this pond, underground springs here, and it stays really wet. We just had that hurricane. You can see, you heard it when it was kind of bogging down over here. You can kind of see where it started to bog down some because it gets wet. But if you look right here, you can see, I mean, did a pretty good job. I mean, this just cut this, so I mean, you can see here, pretty mulched up grass. That's pretty good, and I was cutting at a pretty decent speed also. So if y'all can see all that right here, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock this whole yard out, guys. Hope y'all like watching. I hope this has been helpful to y'all if y'all are installing some new blades. Remember, go ahead and hit that notification button so you can get notified when I post a new video. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'm Kevin Reese.